So, on behalf of the MNIT family, I welcome you all in the second session of the first day of the workshop. That is, in the current session, we will be dealing with the hands-on of Python programming that is related to the blockchains. So let me come straight to the lecture. That is, I have to start from where Professor Nazmul has discussed something in between of his slides that he has discussed about the versions, previous hash, Merkle root, time, bits, and nonces of the blockchain header. So that is the blockchain contains a series of blocks, and those series of blocks has some structure in common. So is my screen visible to you? What I am writing is visible there?
No, sir.
Whiteboard is not there?
No, sir. On browser, it is not visible.
What is appearing on the screen? Is it not showing what I am writing on the whiteboard?
I can't see it.
But it is showing that some rectangle is drawn.
Yes, that is the only thing that I have drawn.
Yes,
So
it is showing.
blockchain. What is there in the blockchain? That it contains a series of blocks with headers and data. Headers, data, headers, and data. So data is what is given by the user, and header is what is being captured or what has been calculated by the blockchain application. That is the underlying blockchain application. This blockchain application will be calculating this headers, the underlying application, or whatever architecture or whatever versions, whatever tools that you will be dealing with, those tools will be dealing with these headers, and data. So as Professor Islam has told that this header contains version, it contains this version. Let me change some color if there is some option of color. So version, previous hash, Merkle root, time, difficulty, and nonce. So these are certain things that has to be calculated by the developer, calculated by the developer for creation of the blocks. And in these things, among these things, the most important thing is previous hash. Now, if the question arises that if I say what is a hash, so or what is a well-known hash function, that is SHA, that has been used in blockchain. So SHA is a family of cryptographic hash functions that has been used or that is deployed to ensure the integrity of the data that is there in the underlying application. So the first and prominent thing that a developer should know is how to calculate the hash of certain thing. So we will be starting our Python programming with the calculation of this hash only. So can I ask that how many of you have Python installed? Python installed on your systems? How many of you are there who have Python ready in their system? Nobody is having that. So can we quickly configure your systems with the Python? So let me show you the steps that are required to install Python for programming in your system. Okay, so that is can you people open python.org? Somebody if is there who is doing something, can he or she can share his screen or her screen so that we can know from where we have to pick the things. So anybody can share his or her screen. So I have now sharing that I have shared my screen that you can download the Python from python.org. It will be good if you people are doing parallelly. You can download the latest version, that is 3.14 or 3.13 from python.org. May I know if you people are, how many people are working parallelly working with me?
Yes, sir.
So thank you for the response that you are installing the Python. Yes, somebody has raised. So you can download the latest Python release and save it.
So is my screen also visible?
Let me check. I am not. I'm not getting the things. I'm not getting your screen. Are you getting my screen? That is the Python installation once it is saved. You will get a prompt like this. Has any people have you got the prompt like this or not? Okay. So once it is installed, it will give the directory to be installed. A setup progress like this will appear. And you can check that whether Python is properly installed or not. So this is my screen. If I give Python-v, then it will give you something like that, that I have Python 3.9.0 in my system. So you people can check this, whether Python is successfully installed on your system or not. So once Python is installed, there are numerous ways to compile your program. The first one is to open a notepad and store any program with extension .py. So if you people can do this thing, it is a simple print program that will print hello Gyan participants. This program, once it is compiled, with the word Python hello.py, then it will print hello Gyan participants. Are you people able to execute it or not? Just let me know this thing. Can I get a response from anybody? Anybody?
सर कुछ इशू हो रहा है.
Is it, are you not able to compile it? You can just give a try again, write something, a new program.
Yes, I'm getting it.
Done?
Yes.
So that is good. So can you share your screen? Can you share your screen? That's
Yeah,
how
I'll
you have
share.
done. Okay, please share it.
I'm trying to figure it out how to share the screen.
If you are on computer, you are doing
Yeah, I'm using
on
computer.
browser.
I'm using computer, but
So you are
here,
doing on a app or browser itself.
I'm using Python itself,
No,
but
you are
here I
using
don't.
Microsoft.
Microsoft.
Yes, Microsoft Teams. Are you getting an option like share?
I don't have the options of only meeting organizers and presenters can share the screen. So there is no option to share screens for participants.
No, I have made it generic.
No, but
If
from my end, when I click on the screen share option, it says only meeting organizers and presenters can share the screen.
let me check one thing. Let me check one thing. That is Pravisha. I have changed the role. Can you try right now?
Yeah, I'll try. Can you see the screen? Can you see my screen?
Yes. That is very good. So congratulations, you have downloaded 3.13 and you are doing like this. So for all the others who are not able to do this, I have a workaround also. We can quickly configure it on Google Colab. So Pravisha, can you help me in giving my lecture? Can you open a new tab in your
Yeah.
browser, that is Google Colab? Do Google Colab. That's good. Welcome to Colab. So so once you are here, you people can see that you can open up Python command line interpreter here. I request everybody to open this. Now, the first thing is that there is giving untitled 4.ipynb. Can you change it to Gyan1, Gyan1, GIAN1? And on the right top, there is a button of connect. Can you connect it? On your right top.
Okay. Yeah.
There is an option of connect. So connect this. So this is now, once you are doing a connect, it is giving you a virtual machine. Just it will take 1 minute in connecting. So can you hover the mouse over RAM? So you can check that you have given nearly 12 GB of system RAM and 100 GB of nearly 100 GB of disk has been allotted to you. And it is a Python 3 Google Compute Engine backend. So you can close this resource, cut this resource now. Yes. So now you can start coding here. In this start, click here, click on start coding, and again give print hello Python. Print. Yes. Give this statement of print hello Python. Print, and in quotes, in double quotes. And on the left, you can see a play button. On the left, there is a play button. Yes. So this is what you have done this. Okay. Now, this is how you have, or everybody who is doing programming with me, this is how anybody can compile the Python program. Okay. So the first approach is download the Python like Pravisha has done. And the second approach is if that part is not doing, if that part is not going right, you can start on Google Colab also. You can do it on anything that you want. So let us come to our main thing. That is, we are here to discuss on hashes. That is hash, because hash is a very important thing in the blockchain. So the first thing is there we have to study the data types of any language, of any programming language, and the data type, or say the data structure that is of our interest in Python is string. We will be dealing the block as a string. So can you click on plus code? That is, you are going to give a new plus code. Plus code, that is no plus. You can click here. Yes. So you can give str, you can write str is equal to in, no, only single equals to, in single quotes, in double quotes, in double quotes, write hello, and come to the end of this line, make a plus sign, plus. Now you can write hello Gyan, Gian, again in double quotes, hello Gyan, Gian, yes, hello Gyan. So make a enter, give a enter here, enter. No, give a enter here, just enter, press enter. And here give print str, print in brackets, print str in brackets. Yes. So anything that you have to print should be in bracket. Okay. So now if you execute this statement with the play button, it will give hello Gyan. So you have concatenated two strings. So this is a way how you play with strings. Any object that you are defining in double quotes is a string, and you can print the strings like this, you can create the strings like this, you can concatenate multiple strings like this. Okay. So now what is a hash function? Hash is something which is having a concept like what I say, that if something is a hash of something, that means if X is a hash of Y, that means X is actually holding a picture of Y. It is a process of converting data into a fixed size unique value code, or that is known as hash value. So in Python, if we are dealing with hashes, we have to import a library, that is import hashlib. Let me give you that in chat box. So it may be fast. So import hashlib. So can you people copy this import hashlib and paste it in the programming? Yes, import hashlib. And paste it here. So hashlib is the library. Hashlib is the library which will be used to find the hash of anything in Python. Okay. Now in the next line, give a enter here. Enter. In the next line, if you write something like this in the chat box that I have given in the chat box, that is str. Can you copy this and paste it here? Now, can you run this, execute this now? So this is a hash. Now, what this statement has done, hashlib.sh256, in that we have given str.encode.hex digest. So what this statement has done, the first thing is there str.encode. So what is str? str is hello hello Gyan. Okay, what is str? str is hello hello Gyan. Now if we are going to encode it, that means we are converting it into a 8-bit ASCII format. You cannot find hash of any string directly without converting it into some proper format. So Unicode transformation is very important of the strings. A Unicode 8-bit representation, 8-bit ASCII representation of every string is required before we find the hash of this thing. Now, hex digest, what is the meaning of hex digest? The meaning of hex digest is something, it is going to give the hash of the string in hexadecimals. Got it? In hexadecimals. So if you try to find the length of this hash, whatever hash has been found out, can you give another statement, Pravisha, that is print now in print give len, len is used for length. No, do not in double quotes, because len is a keyword. Now what length? In len, can you pass this hash that you have found? No, that just give me a moment. Can you do something like this? L is equal to, write new thing, write new in a new code. L is equal to len, len, in brackets, copy this, whatever the hash 103BA4, whatever is there na. Yes, copy this. Yes, copy this whole thing in double quotes. Make it in double quotes. Yes. Okay. Now in the length, in the next line, can you print L? Give print L. Print L. No, L not in double quotes. L is a variable. Now can you execute it? So it is 64. 64 means these are 64 hexadecimal digits. and each hexadecimal digit has a 4-bit representation. So 64 into 4 is 256 bit. This is how SHA-256 works. Now, I request all the participants, can you tell me whether you have understood this concept or not?
Yes, sir.
Has anybody else has doing this on? Anybody else is also doing this on Google Colab? Anybody else? Nobody is doing this. Okay. So SHA-256 is not the only algorithm that is present for finding the hash. There are various other algorithms available. So if you can type this command, that is print hashlib.algorithms underscore available, then you will be able to look at all the algorithms which are used to find the hash. Pravisha, can you do this?
Yes, sir.
It
Yeah,
is print
this.
hashlib. Yes. So we have various available algorithms like MD5, SHA, SM3, Shake, Blick, SHA1, SHA-256, SHA-512. There are various hash algorithms available. However, blockchain uses blockchain uses SHA-250. Okay, everybody. So we can use these many algorithms in our day-to-day applications. But what blockchain uses? Blockchain use SHA 256. 256 means 256 bits. Okay, class. Now, if I talk something about the architecture of SHA 256. So, how SHA 256 converts? Let me share my screen now. Let me share my screen now. Uh, so, how SHA 256 works? Let me demonstrate quickly. Are you people getting my screen now? Just give me a moment. Just give me a moment. Let me. So I am now on a different machine. Now here, if I give you a architecture of SHA-256, so SHA-256 has various rounds of transformation. So whenever there is a string, it converts this string into Unicode, that is 8-bit representation of each character. Now, for every character, what it does, it will, your screen will be like this. I think there is some problem. My screen is still not visible. Give me a moment. So this 8-bit representation of each string will give a sequence of bits. These bits are divided in a chunk of 512, 512, and so on. Now we have an initialization vector of 256 bits. It is when combined with 512 bits combined, then it gives again a 256 bits. This 256 bits is again combined with another 512 bits of the message. It again produces a 256 bit vector. Finally, after various rounds of combination, we get a hash. This hash is again of, this hash is again of,
मेल दिखाओ जी ये किस खुशी में मिठाई है
this hash
ये
is
मिठाई थोड़ी
again
खाया
of,
जाता है वो तो शादी में मिठाई खाया जाता है मेल दिखाओ जी लिखो जल्दी अरे ये बात सेंड कर प्रोवाइड करो
somebody whose noise is coming from somebody's end.
खुल जाते हैं सीसी में उनको भी डालो सब
Am I audible there?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes.
somebody has raised the hand. Let me know if anybody is having any doubt. Any doubt till now? Till now we have seen how to find the hash in Python. Till now we have seen. Now in the second part of our presentation, in the second half of our lecture, we will learn how to create a block with their block variables and their associated hashes. Okay, in the second part we are going to deal with, that is, I'm not able to stop this sharing. That is, stop sharing option is not coming here. Anyways, there is no problem. Now, in the second part, let us start with another. Let us start with another Python programming session of the creation of the blocks. Okay, so it will be good if I open my notebook. That is, so actually I am using Microsoft Teams after a long duration, so it is giving some problems. Is my screen visible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Is my screen visible? So we will be starting with the the programming part of the creation of the block, a full complete block. We can start this session as a whole new session. So I can stop. I have stopped the past recording.